Welcome back to Cyber-Theo. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up your very own home server for media storage and streaming. Whether you want to access your movies, music, or personal files from any device, anywhere, this tutorial will guide you step by step in creating your own media server using free or affordable tools. Let's get started. Choose your hardware. To start, you'll need a computer or a NAS, network-attached storage, device. This can be an old laptop, desktop, or even a Raspberry Pi. Install the operating system. If you're using a dedicated machine, install an OS like Ubuntu Server or FreeNAS. Download the installation file, create a bootable USB, and install it on your device following the on-screen prompts. If you're using Windows or Mac OS, you can skip this step and proceed to install the media server software directly. Set up the media server software. Once your OS is ready, install media server software like Plex, Emby, or Jellyfin. For Plex, head to their website, download the server app, and follow the installation guide specific to your OS. Configure your server. After installation, open the media server app. Sign in or create an account. Set up your media libraries by adding folders containing your movies, TV shows, music, and photos. Plex, for example, will automatically organize your media by pulling metadata like titles, covers, and episode details. Enable remote access. To stream media from anywhere, configure remote access. In Plex, this is done by enabling the Remote Access feature in the Settings menu. Make sure your router is set to port forwarding, so your server can be accessed over the internet. This may require logging into your router's control panel to open the specific port used by your server, e.g., port 32400 for Plex. Set up user accounts and permissions. If you want to share your server with family or friends, create additional user accounts and set media access permissions accordingly. This lets you control who has access to specific media files. Stream media across devices. Install the Plex, or your chosen media server, app on your other devices such as phones, tablets, smart TVs, or streaming devices like Roku. Log in with your account and browse your media library. Now you can stream your content to any connected device from anywhere with internet access. Organize and manage your media. Ensure your media files are well organized with proper file names and folders. Use the server dashboard to monitor usage, view media playback history, and even add subtitles or optimize media files for streaming. Congratulations! You now have a fully functioning home media server that allows you to stream content from anywhere, on any device. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and check the links below for more tips and resources. Consider subscribing to Cyber-Theo for more tech tutorials and guides. See you in the next video.